the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, and I go crawling down the avenue. No, there is nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The stars are edging on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret, the winds of change are blowing wild and free. 'Cause you ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. Oh, to make you feel my love, to make you feel mine.
Your tiny hand in mine as you're sleeping on my chest, laying here so still, giving mom a chance to rest. And I'm watching my world rise and fall with every single breath.
Looking down at you and how you look so much like me, and all I wanna do is give you everything you need.
Son, I know I'm gonna make mistakes, but my love for you will never ever change. I don't ever wanna let you go, but I can't wait to get to watch you grow. And no matter what this life might bring, I will always be my sun.
I'm picturing your life, how the years will all play out. And whatever you do, just know that I'm already proud. Son, I know you're gonna make mistakes, but my love for you will never ever change. I don't ever wanna let you go, but I can't wait to get to watch you grow. And no matter what this life might bring, I want you to know that you will always be, you will always be my son. From every scraped up knee to every broken